Hey, this is Lewis from SoFly, and in this video, I'll show you how to use Oxygen with Advanced Custom Fields 5 or Advanced Custom Fields Pro. So to do it, it's very simple. All you have to do is edit a post or template where Advanced Custom Fields are present. Then you can see all of the available Advanced Custom Fields in the Dynamic Data dialog box. So I'll go ahead and add in a text element here, and I'll go ahead and double click this to edit. Click Insert Data at the top, and then click Advanced Custom Field in the Post section. And now all the available Advanced Custom Fields will be shown. Just click the field you wish to use and click Insert. And we are now displaying data from Advanced Custom Fields in our template. You can do the same for images or links. For example, if you were to add in an image, simply click the Data button to set the URL. Click Advanced Custom Field, and then you can choose your Advanced Custom Field with your photo in it. Click Insert, and there we go. So it is very, very simple to use Advanced Custom Fields with Oxygen. Now let me give you a little tutorial on actually creating a layout with some Advanced Custom Fields on a site I've created with some dummy data. So here's the WordPress admin panel for that site. In Advanced Custom Fields, that's going to be Custom Fields in the WordPress sidebar menu. We have our field groups. I have one field group called Property Listing. This is going to be a real estate website. So the Property Listing field group has fields for real estate listings. It has an address, a price, a photo, number of bedrooms, number of bathrooms, and number of square feet. Then I've used CPT UI. That stands for Custom Post Type UI. This is just a way to create custom post types in WordPress. I've created a property post type. It's called Properties in Property, and that shows up right here in the left sidebar as Properties. You can use any custom post types plugin you like. I like CPTUI. It's very simple and straightforward. So in this Properties section, I've added two properties here. Let's take a look at one of them. Title's Luxury Home on the Water, and then here are our advanced custom fields, the property listing field group. We have our address, our price, our photo, bedrooms, bathrooms, and square feet. And for the other property on the site, we just have different data in each of these fields. So now let's go ahead and create a template in Oxygen to display these properties. So to do that, we'll go to Oxygen, Templates, and then I'm going to add a new template that applies to my property. So to do that, I'll click Add New Template, and I'm going to call this Property and Publish. Then I'm going to set this to inherit design from the main template. That's going to pull in my existing header and footer. And under where does this template apply, I'm going to choose Singular Properties. And I'm also going to set the template priority to 10, just to ensure it overrides any other template that might apply to properties that already exist on this site. Now let's go ahead and update this, and then edit it with Oxygen. So let's go ahead and add in a section here first. And first I'm just going to add in all the fields that we have for the properties, and then we'll rearrange them to make them look good. So we've got the property address. I'm going to go Insert Data, Advanced Custom Field, Address, click Insert, and that's going to display the address. It's 8 Park Place for this property, or if we chose the other property from the preview dropdown, we could preview the design with that data as well. Then I'm going to go ahead and add in another field here, a text element, Insert Data, Price. Click Insert. And then I'm going to go ahead and add in another text field, Insert Data, Advanced Custom Field, Bedrooms, Insert. I'm going to go ahead and put at the beginning of this text element, Bedrooms, so we know this is the number of bedrooms. And then I'm going to go ahead and duplicate this and highlight that part, Insert Data, Advanced Custom Field, Bathrooms. And then I'm going to just add another one for the square footage of the house, Advanced Custom Fields, square feet. Insert. So Here are our fields. Now let's go ahead and create a design. So the first thing I'm going to do is add in another section here. Let's add in some columns. So I'll add in the columns. Let's go 50-50. I'm just going to make a pretty simple design. The goal is just to show how it works, not to make it look amazing. And I'm going to go ahead and add in an image. This is going to be the property photograph. And then I'm going to click the data button to set the URL from Advanced Custom Fields. Click Advanced Custom Field and choose photo. Now I can choose a size for the photo. I could choose a thumbnail, which is just going to be a small image. It'll load faster. I could choose original, which will be the high-res, full-size image. I'm going to go ahead and go with medium large for this image here. And that's going to go ahead and load in a photo of the property. And then let's go ahead and drag in the address here. And let's amp up the font size a little bit. And then I'm going to go ahead and add in a heading. Set this to, I'll write in property info. And let's make that a bit smaller. Add some space. We'll drag bedrooms in there. And whoops, this is supposed to be bathrooms. Bedrooms 5, bathroom 6, add a little space there. Let's go ahead and drag this text element down here. And we'll write something like asking, $, settings, path, price. And let's amp up the font size just a little bit. And let's drag this in there. And we'll put square feet, 5,200. And we can delete this section. So there we go. Now we've created a layout that's displaying data that's all coming from Advanced Custom Fields. So let's go ahead and save this. And we'll take a look on the front end. And here that is. And let's go ahead and take a look at the other listing on the front end as well, just to show all this data is updating dynamically. So we'll go to the admin panel, properties, and this time we'll take a look at the penthouse, click view. And here we go. So that is how to use Advanced Custom Fields with Oxygen to display dynamic data in your website. Again, this is Louis from SoFly, and thank you very much for watching.